everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this middle part bob unit from Lativ here on Amazon.com. So if you're interested in this gorgeous unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from Lativ store, and they've reached out to me to review this unit for you all. So this unit is considered a T-part unit, meaning that it is a full lace front with a middle part. So this doesn't come with any other parts, just this middle part right here. And this is what I'm rocking today. The color that I have is called Ombre brown, and of course this wig, it came just as flat as you see here. It is very flat. This is straight out of the box. I haven't done anything in terms of heat to this unit. The only thing I did was to add a little powder to the parting space, and that was it. I didn't do anything else to this wig more than cut the lace and add some powder to the parting space, and that was it. I just love how flat this is. So the construction of this unit, it has two combs at the front and one at the back with adjustable straps. I didn't have the strap adjusted too much to the middle, but it does fit very securely, and I did not have to use any sorts of glue or anything like that to lay it down. However, you can do that for yourself. It is a ear-to-ear type of lace, so you can definitely do that. On the listing, it does have two other colors. The other color is considered a ombre blonde as well, but it's a lighter blonde. This one is more on the darker side. This one is more like a 613, and the other one is more of a framing highlight. So the majority of the hair is like a 1B, and at the front is like a 613. So that one is also pretty gorgeous as well. So they all come in this same style, just those two colors that are different. In terms of any other colors, they tend to update it periodically, so if anything, I would let you all know if they do have other colors, but these are the three colors that are available. I do love this color. It looks very pretty. I must say, when I did open it up, I was looking at the color and I'm like, wow, this was kind of different. But as I tried it on, it looked very pretty. I do love how it looks, and it turned out very well, and I do like it. It's a very nice unit, and it's very easy to wear as well. This one is around, I would say, 16 to 18 inches in length, so it's right at the shoulders, well, a little past the shoulders. So as you can see here, this is what it's looking like in terms of length. Let me show you what the back of the unit looks like. So this is what the back is looking like right here. Also is right at the top of my back, so it does look very nice back there as well. I would give this wig a 10 out of 10 simply because of the convenience of it being very flat on my head already. I don't need to get any wax sticks, any hot combs. I just throw it on, add a little powder to the parting space, and I'm good to go. I love units like this, so good on you, Lativ store. Very good on you. Thank you for having this nice convenience. I do love that as well. In terms of any cons, I don't have any cons. I did not get any shedding or anything like that, but you may get a little shedding if you cut the lace. When you cut the lace, not if, but when you cut the lace, you will probably get a little bit of shedding, but nothing to talk about, or you probably wouldn't even notice it. So yeah, definitely no cons for me. And also, I would leave the link to this unit directly to this unit and this color. Of course, you could pick any other color once you get onto that listing, but you will get straight to it and you will see it. So thank you so much, Lativ here, for reaching out to me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.